Woke up foggy, heavy, body just hasn't caught up to your mind yet. This standing sequence will wake up your body from the feet up, and your posture will thank you for it. Let's hit the mat. Some mornings, the tightness hides in your side body. Quiet but heavy. The stretch opens it up. Stand tall with feet under hips. Inhale, raise your right arm overhead. Exhale, gently lean to the left. You're going to feel the stretch through your ribs, hip, and shoulder. Switch sides halfway through or alternate throughout. You're going to feel length through your side waist, a soft breath between ribs. This stretch improves your breathing and spinal mobility. I promise it'll make your upper body feel 10 pounds lighter. We're heading from length into fold. Don't skip it. This next move completes the line. Can you reach just 1 inch taller before the bend? Try it. 5 more seconds. Is your opposite foot grounded or are you leaning too far? That just created space. Now let's let gravity do its part. Now we unlock the hamstrings and adductors, your body's braking system. Stand with feet wide, toes slightly turned out. Inhale, arms rise, exhale, hinge at the hips and reach for your right toes. Come back to center, then reach for the left. Flow side to side with control. You can feel your hamstrings lengthen, inner thighs stretch, gentle pull through the back. This resets your entire back line and prepares your hips and spine for motion. I promise your legs will feel free afterward. Toe touches also engage your core when done with intention, not speed. Reach just 10% lower on each side. Last 5 seconds. Are you holding from the hips or collapsing from the back? That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. This is one of the most powerful morning moves because it mimics a real-life motion. From a standing forward fold, grab your ankles or shins or your toes. Drop into a deep squat, chest lifted, spine long, drive through your heels and return to a forward fold. Repeat, breathing through the movement. You're going to feel hip mobility, hamstring stretch, spinal activation. Squat to stand teaches your body to load and release tension smoothly. I promise it'll change how you move throughout the day. Next, we zoom into the overlooked joints, your wrists and ankles. Pause at the bottom of your squat. Can you lift your chest 1 inch higher? Are you moving with control or just going through the motion? That just woke up your hips. Now we fine-tune the details. Small joints, a big impact. Let's bring them back online. Roll your wrists slowly in one direction, then switch. Do the same with your ankles, one at a time. Stand tall while you do this to reinforce posture. Stay intentional, no rushing. You're going to feel gentle warmth, restored circulation, and joint articulation. Your wrists and ankles anchor your entire kinetic chain. I promise, when they're loose, everything above them moves better. Strong wrists and mobile ankles improve balance and reaction time. Roll wider, slower, with control. 5 more seconds. Are your rolls smooth or jerking from built-up tension? That just resets your edges. Now we finish with your center. Your mind can't focus if your neck feels tight. Let's reset it. One slow circle at a time. Drop your chin to your chest, roll your head gently to the right, then back to center. Switch directions after 30 seconds. Keep your shoulders soft and breath slow. You're going to feel a release in the traps, neck and jaw. Ease returning to your upper body. Neck mobility affects posture, breath, and even your mood. I promise this helps you feel clearer and more present. Gentle neck work reduces nervous system stress almost instantly. Slow down your roll. Close your eyes. Breathe deeper. 5 seconds more. Are you releasing or bracing? That just brought you home, body and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. All delivered daily to your email inbox. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth and not trends. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.